Is it the right time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Amazon. We previously released a report on our website on Wednesday, November 15, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 30, 2023, our system has ranked Amazon as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.32. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, the stock has shown a remarkable gain of 7.9% since we first recommended buying Amazon 13 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.61% since it was listed as a hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in the upper range of a wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this would indicate a good opportunity to sell. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $145.80, it would signal a strong buy opportunity and a shift in the trend can be expected. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -0.0783% change over the next 3 months. This means that the stock could potentially return between -16.58% and 1.73%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 67.02% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 43.29% and 70.33%. In other words, the stock price could range from $205.19 to $243.91 after a year. Our latest daily update for Amazon brings some news. The stock has been downgraded from a buy candidate to hold/accumulate after Wednesday's trading session. On the last day, which was Wednesday, the 15th of November 2023, the Amazon stock price fell by 1.78%, dropping from $145.80 to $143.20. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.3%, reaching a low of $142.59 and a high of $147.29. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 of them, experiencing a 4.53% increase over the past 2 weeks. Although the volume of shares increased by 6 million on the last day, prices were falling. This could be seen as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $8.80 billion worth of shares were bought and sold, with a total of 61 million shares being traded. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $147.29, while the lowest price was $81.43. Currently, the price is 2.78% or $4.09 below the 52-week high, and 89.03% or $1,162 below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $1,305.20. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, October 27, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Amazon a grade of overweight with a recommended action to hold. On the same day, Oppenheimer reported an outperform grade for Amazon with a recommended action to hold. Goldman Sachs also issued a buy grade for Amazon with a recommended action to hold. Telsey Advisory gave Amazon an outperform grade with a recommended action to hold. On Monday, October 23, 2023, Bank of America Securities gave Amazon a buy grade with a recommended action to hold. According to analysts, Amazon stock has received a general rating of strong buy. The PE ratio and price-to-book ratio are both rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for Amazon stock. The stock currently has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there will be some support from the lines at $142.93 and $132.26. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. Turning our attention to the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, there is a buy signal indicating a positive outlook. However, there have also been some negative signals, which may have an impact on the near short-term development of the stock. On Tuesday, November 14, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -1.78%. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot has been found. It's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the stock. In the long-term chart, the stock had a golden star signal on Monday, February 13, 2023. This is a rare combination where the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line meet. Such a signal is often followed by significant gains for the stock. Today, I want to share some interesting signals with you that you might find useful for your trading strategy. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently giving a buy signal. Another signal we can consider is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal that occurred 7 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, it gave a buy signal 15 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also provided a buy signal 14 days ago. Now, let's examine the relationship between the short and long moving averages. It gave a buy signal 11 days ago. If we shift our focus to the 12-month chart, we observe that the short moving average gave a buy signal 14 days ago. Correspondingly, the long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages on the 12-month chart gave a buy signal 4 days ago. Remember, if you want to explore more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be talking about support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. When it comes to support levels, Amazon has found strong backing from accumulated volume at $140.39. This creates a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when this support level is tested. Now, let's dive into the risk involved. Amazon tends to have average movements during the day, which means the risk is considered to be medium. However, with good trading volume, there is potential for profitable opportunities. Looking at the recent performance, we can see that in the past day, the stock moved $4.70 between its high and low, which accounts for a 3.3% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.31%. Before we get into discussing the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's go over some important fundamental data that you need to know. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a key measure of a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A higher P/E ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. According to analysts' consensus estimates, the earnings per share are expected to be $0.760. It's important to keep a close watch on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for Amazon. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $144.72. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering entering a position. However, for those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $140.39. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point with the anticipation of a rebound. Analysts from multiple sources have given Amazon a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 2, 2023, Silipsky Atom sold 500 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On November 3, 2023, Silipsky Atom sold another 500 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On November 1, 2023, Harrington Douglas J sold 4,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On October 30, 2023, Bezos Jeffrey P. sold 122,223 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On October 31, 2023, Bezos Jeffrey P. sold 428,415 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -82.957. In the last 100 trades, insiders bought a total of 183,944 shares and sold 2,145,040 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $138.91, which is a decrease of 3%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, which indicates a moderate level of risk. The RSI 14 stands at 84, further increasing the risk substantially. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a recent pivot top that was identified 1 day ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? While Amazon shows several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. At its current level, we consider it a hold candidate, meaning it's worth holding or accumulating while waiting for further developments. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been downgraded from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and recent movements, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, November 16th, we expect Amazon to open at $144.36, up $1.16 from the previous day's close. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing the current view of this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What price target do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Wishing you successful trading and have a fantastic day from all of us here at Stock Invest.